Hi, my name is Rob Teschner. My flying call sign was Cujo. I'm a former F-15 Fighter Weapons School instructor and F-22 Fighter Squadron commander, and now I'm the founder and CEO of the VMAX Group, a national leadership training company. On the 8th of November, I'm happy to announce that I'm coming back to Harrisburg to spend a day with leaders at any level of an organization who are looking to up their game. Things that we are going to focus on: differentiating teamwork from task work and looking at how it is that we build teams that actually work. And the core element that allows teams to be their very best is the debrief, the tactical practice of accountability, and how it is that we build accountable leaders. In our time together, we're going to explore how it is that high-performing teams like fighter squadrons and Navy SEALs do what they do to handle the disruptions that they handle with in a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous environment. And we're going to understand how it is that we can cross-apply the teamwork skills and specifically the accountability systems that these kinds of teams use into our own places of work so that we can up our game and improve our performance, and at the same time build leaders who are worth following, who are growing new leaders in their stead. It's going to be an awesome day, and I so look forward to meeting you and to spending time with you and to exploring these concepts that I spent about 20 years on active duty learning and applying throughout all of my flying work. So come join us on the 8th of November and learn what it is that we used in our fighter squadrons to be the best that we could possibly be. I so look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to seeing you on the 8th of November.